Hey everybody, how's it going out there? It's a hot one today. I thought it'd be kind of fun to check out the new Village's golf car store in Eastport, which just opened up. So I thought maybe we'll drive up there and just do a quick walkthrough and check it out and see what they got on the floor. And I want to try out my new camera mount. Here, let me spin this around. So for today's video, I got the Insta360 mounted on this new contraption I bought to capture really cool videos. I got it mounted to the back of the vet, which we'll be taking up to the Village golf cars here in a minute. But I wanted to show you that. A lot of people ask, how do I get it to look like there's a drone chasing me? And all it really is a 360 camera mounted on a stick, and then the software removes the stick. Although in this case, and I haven't used this before, it's probably gonna, this will probably show up on the video for sure, but the stick should disappear and we might get some cool angles of the vet driving down the road as we head up to Eastport. So yeah, that's how I do it. A while ago, I made a video on how I shoot some of my drone-looking footage because I do not have a drone. If you come to my YouTube channel, The Village's Chief, and then come over to videos and then scroll down here, you'll see I made a video a while ago right here. In this video here, it's one of my early videos. I show how I capture some cool footage that looks like a drone is following me, but it's actually an Insta360 camera, and I'll put a link in the description so you can check out that video if you're interested. All right, let's get back to it. All right, let's hop in the car and go for a ride. So I recorded this on Friday, July 25th, 2025, and it just opened up a couple days ago. As you can see, when we came in, Eastport is still under construction, Citizens Bank is open, and now the golf cars here is open. So they have several golf cars stores. This one is called Gary's Garage Eastport. It's got kind of a retro vibe to it. It's really cool. So let's go inside and take a look. You'll see some of the prices on these golf cars as I walk through. And they range, you know, I don't know, anywhere from probably $9,000, something like that, was on the lower end, up into the 20,000s. Obviously, depending on, you know, options, model, and all that. It's a big thing here in the Villages. It's a serious golf cart community. I did have one for a while. If you look back at some of my older videos, you'll see that. And then I ended up selling it. I just ended up driving my motorcycles more than the golf cart. If I stay here, I will definitely get a golf cart. I have been debating on that, maybe downsizing my vehicles. I just don't know yet. But they are fun. And this community is kind of built around that golf cart lifestyle. You can get anywhere in the Villages with your golf cart, from all the way to the north end, all the way to the south end, all via golf cart. It's pretty incredible. So there are all kinds of places you can get golf carts around here, you know, outside the Villages. My experience of buying a golf cart from the Villages, I really recommend it. I think they did a really good job. You know, there's some benefits to having it, like head of the line privileges if you're for maintenance and things like that. They're really good with recalls. The service was great, so you might spend a few extra bucks. I don't know that for sure, but I think there's a value add there. So, you know, I'm not sponsored by the Villages. I'm not sponsored by anybody. So if I plug something like this, it's, you know, because I like them, or I've used their services or whatever. It goes pretty much for any of my videos. You know what? I know people are going to lose their minds because I didn't capture all the window stickers, but you get the idea. Again, you're going to be in the ballpark, you know, 8,000-9,000 up into the mid-20s, maybe even more. So it just depends what you want, what your budget is. They are cool. And, you know, golf carts are not what they used to be. There's some really trick golf carts with amazing paint jobs, killer sound systems, really something. So, you know, I get it. There's so many people that I've met, you know, because of this channel, and I appreciate all you guys. It's always nice meeting everybody. And sometimes if I wave and keep walking, it might be because I'm in a shy mood that day, or I got to get back to work, or who knows what. But I do like meeting all you folks that bump into me. It's really nice. And everybody I've met has been just super. So I appreciate you all. I'm getting close to 10,000 subscribers, which blows my mind because you know, my videos, I don't know what I'm talking about half the time. Really am humbled by that, and I appreciate y'all. So take care of each other out there, you know? crazy world. You got to look out for each other. Love y'all. Peace. And we will catch you on the next video. See ya. Bye.